Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Apple is delaying bonuses for some corporate employees and freezing hiring for more jobs. The move comes amid a broader belt-tightening in tech, as firms like Meta, Google and Amazon lay off thousands. Stock markets sank on renewed fears of a burgeoning banking crisis, snapping a one-day rally as Credit Suisse shares cratered to lead a rout in major lenders. Global markets have been rattled by the collapse of SVB and Signature Bank, the sector's biggest failures since the 2008 financial crisis. Trading ranges for Bitcoin and Ether moved in opposite directions. Bitcoin's higher low suggests investors in the largest crypto by market value are upbeat, but Ether's increased trading range may reflect bearish concerns.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's employment change at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production will be released at 04:30 GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 04:30 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 05:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.